yeah. You just in it. Hey, I'm not sure I want.
Yeah. What is it? Is she hogging the food?
My goal here isn't to make money right now.
You're late to your own party.
I came in here because I had one thing specifically that I wanted, and
Tether. He's tethered.
I like it.
It's a good fucking light.
Oh!
It's more of a tricky trick. Oh, this is how we get.
You're getting quicker.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell you.
This is just for my own personal use. I don't tell people.
This is MVP. You're entering at your own
Not for
risk.
the general public.
No, this is top secret, Mickey.
Different doors and only for the general public.
Mickey, this is MVP status.
But I mean,
We should have bouncers out here, Isaiah.
and so there must be a chair I can sit on when I get in there. Anyway,
All right, we're gonna have to go around. Sorry.
or whatever like that. Okay. This is a goddamn picker tree.
That's it.
Fucking picker tree.
It's mint.
God,
Banana tree.
picker.
That's a Wisconsin banana tree.
God.
She's doing good.
Next door.
Bite to the beat.
Well, I don't want anyone to steal my purse.
Well, I don't know what's down in that
There's
basement.
not even a proper railing. Shit.
Well, enter at your own risk.
There was. When?
Must have been the shadow ghost.
Shit.
He really did have a rail. Someone just
This
took
is
it.
rustic. There was the trolls.
This is off limits to all public. This is behind the scenes. Behind the scenes.
Oh, this is creepy and gross.
Well, this is the.
What the fuck's this?
That's the shower.
Shit. Gross. This is creepy. This is. I'm gonna hang on.
Just got a new technology being able to crop things.
What would activate it?
I'm not gonna think about it.
I don't think you were playing, but it was at the park in Oshkosh, that square. Oh, yeah. Your little girl was like at a little graduation from preschool or something. Okay, yeah. They had a little ceremony.
it was one of the thoughts.
Talk to her. I think she'll be here. Process.
Yeah, I was curious on that because I grew beard and did wine and
Tasha? This is natural satellite.
Yay! Amen.
Ready, thank you everyone for coming.
Woo!
Need them applauding was it? I gotta get a microphone.
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See you.
Oh, yeah. That's how you do it.
Awesome, guys. Featuring Carly and Jason Riesdorf on cello, saxophone, and vocals. Formed
Become a Ghost I wrote when I was very, very depressed, and I was by myself with a glass of whiskey a long time ago. So it's a little depressing, but I hope maybe you can find something.
the end of How to Become a Ghost. It's, if you listen to any of their records or any of the music.
5th grade, and did that. And I wanted to play in the jazz band. I saw the jazz band in 7th grade, and I said, "Well, we don't have a clarinet in the jazz band. You gotta learn how to play saxophone." I said, "Okay, well, teach me. I said, get a horn, and we'll go from there." And that's where it is. And you know, I.
The system divide to keep us blind, to keep us wasting all our time. They divide, they decide, they deceive. Well, we are fast asleep. Please, can you free me from this dream? Please, can you free me from this dream?
We need each other. We need to call out the terrible things happening around us and lean on one another, because that's the only way we either make it through anything and survive and like still have a sense of dignity and like.
Yeah. I guess Jason is so well versed in music theory, and I've learned a lot just from playing and from learning.
And I see all these effects as a guitar player. We use those, and I'm seeing other instrument people using these pedals that were designed for knob-head guitarists.
Alto saxophone player by the name of Braxton Cook, and he was running and through it, but the biggest just FU is
Yeah.
like
Don't
that's
stop,
kind
you
of
guys. It's great.
where we end up falling. So.
Wasn't that a title track?
It was, and it's about butterflies too,
Wonderful.
randomly.
The cover art of that album is dope.
Thank you, I painted that.
That's cool.
Thanks.
Really cool. So, once again,
Bringing people together, being able to share our art. So thank you, and thank you all for coming. So this is gratitude. I hope you like it.
Amen.
Life is funny, never what you think. We're always up and down, forever in a grace. So
that's one of our sponsors, Timber Innovations. I'm gonna play a little commercial for this as well. Up there's fuck.
But fortunately, I have friends that can take care of my instrument and loan me an instrument in the meantime. I did almost pass out one time. What was the time?
No, you're good. Well, it's
Oh.
getting there.
Okay, well, I almost passed out because
During the break, so you guys will have to come see Natural Satellite live in order to get the full story there. You guys want to plug some more things?
yeah,
Remind them where you can be found and next shows, things like that.
we're playing Friday at McFleshman's.
Oh,
Yeah, it's free. 6 to 8.
Open mic night.
On Friday.
It's free. Come hang out with us, get a beer or
Get a
not.
beer.
It's a cool place to hang out.
I think they have NAs there.
they do.
I don't know if they have kombucha though.
They do not.
But no, darn it.
Thinking about cinnamon roll. She made.
Well,
It's okay, I love music and I support.
What did you do? They're asking me for money?
I got it, yeah, I made sure it was okay.
Okay, and that little button voice. I emailed them, they're on a nonprofit website. You know my samples, you can have, of course, you have the email, but you have to have their phone number and our website.
Gosh, lately.
Really?
Yeah, it's making me nervous.
the crows.
No, there's no.